Understanding API rate limiting.
API rate limiting is a technique used to control how many requests a user or application can make to an API in a certain time frame. This helps prevent overloading servers and ensures fair access for all users. Rate limiting is a core concept in API security and efficiency, affecting developers every time they work with third-party services.
How does rate limiting work?
Rate limiting works by tracking requests from each user or app. For example, an API might allow only 100 requests per minute per user. If you exceed this limit, the API returns an error or asks you to wait before sending more requests. These rules are usually documented in the API's guidelines.
Why is rate limiting important?
Rate limiting protects systems from abuse, accidental overload, and denial of service attacks. It keeps APIs running smoothly, allows service providers to manage traffic, and keeps things fair for all users. For developers, understanding rate limits is crucial to building reliable and user-friendly applications.
Types of rate limiting strategies.
Common strategies include the fixed window, sliding window, and token bucket methods. Each one has its own way of counting and enforcing limits, balancing fairness and flexibility. Knowing which strategy an API uses helps developers design applications that handle limits gracefully and avoid unexpected errors.
Best practices for developers.
To work effectively with rate-limited APIs, developers should monitor response headers for limit information, handle errors gracefully, and use efficient request batching. Building in retries with backoff and spreading requests over time reduces the risk of hitting limits and improves user experience.